What's up guys, Z here, and today we're going to be swapping the backup camera. My backup camera got busted all of a sudden after I changed my exhaust to straight pipes. Not sure if that's the reason why it got busted, but it happened. So let me go and get start the car. So when you put it in reverse, the backup camera automatically comes up, but this is what happens, it's just gray, so nothing comes up. I don't think this is only in Chargers, because my friend had a Chrysler 300C and exact same thing happened to him. So this is the part, I got it from eBay. I'll put the part number down below, or the URL in the description below. This is the camera, just a camera and the wire that plugs in. So it should be pretty easy install. Not sure how long would it take. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Oh yeah! Alright guys, so first step, obviously open the trunk. I think all you need is this Phillips head and the flat head. So we're going to be taking off this carpet area here. It's held by this right here. You don't need to take off these right here. You only need to take off this part right here, the upper part. Yeah, that's pretty much what's held by, like this piece right here, this plastic piece. It will fall off right away as soon as we take this one out. But yeah, I think that's it. Let's go ahead and take them off with a flat head. And this is the other side right here. Alright guys, so I went ahead and removed that part right here and I put it somewhere very safe so you won't lose it. I also kept it on the same side where I pulled it. So this part right there and this one right here. But that's not only it, the carpet won't pull because it's still held by this piece here. And this is the piece that when you grab it and you close the trunk pretty much. Let me show you. This is what's held by. I don't know what is this called. I think it's called like torque bits or something like that. I'm not sure, but it can work with a Phillips head. You can take it off. It's a little harder, but you can still take it off. I'll show you how. Alright guys, so I removed all the parts that's holding it down, and all you gotta do is just pull it like that. Be careful from this emergency. There's a part for here, just pull it from inside, and just like that. Should leave us enough space to work with the camera. It's somewhere here in the back. Let me see what I can do here. You can pull it down a little bit just to can be out of the way. It's there's parts here that's hanging in. I think I'll take these off just to have more space. Alright guys, so after you have it down here, there is 3 clips that you need to take out. This one, like that. That's the main one for the camera, and there's one right here. And the last one is up here. This one right here. Just like that. And after that, there is this 10 millimeters here. You need to take them off too. So I was wrong, you actually need 10 millimeter. So you just take out these two. Make sure you don't lose them. Alright, after that, this part right here should come right up. I hope you guys can see good, there's no light. But this part right here comes out, and from this side comes out like. Alright guys, sorry, so this is the part right here. That's the part that I'm taking out. There you go. So right here is the camera. Looks like it needs that same torque that I didn't have earlier, and this one is way smaller. I don't think the Phillips that I have will be able to take it out. Let's try. Yep, there is no way. So yeah, I'll go ahead into AutoZone and come right back. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have to get that part, the torque screw, whatever it's called, to take off this backup camera. So I'm gonna go to AutoZone and get it. Alright guys, so I got it from AutoZone. So the size for this one is T8, which is the smallest one. This here gives you the sizes that one has. So it's the smallest one, this one. Alright guys, so a small comparison between the two here. This is the old one. Looks like the rubber part is kinda like wearing off. Yeah, as you can see here, this rubber part, but that's it. And the new one, just brand new one, nothing else. Yeah, see? So we'll just clean off this one here a little bit, just make sure it doesn't have any debris or anything stuck into it, and we'll put it inside. Hopefully this fixes the issue. Alright guys, so this is the new camera in. Use the T8 to put it in with these two screws here. And before you put everything back in together, just connect these two wires here. Or I think you can only connect this wire here, just to test it out. So it goes this way, clicks. And this one, I don't think you need it. Yeah, you don't need that one. So let's go ahead and start the car and back up and see if it works. I hope it does. Yay! It works. Well, the view is weird because it's still hanging up, but it works. So that's good. I'm happy. Alright guys, so I put this piece back here. It's really hard to do it with one hand and filming at the same time. There's these 3 connectors here. You have to put them back. 1, 2, 3. This is for the backup camera, the 3rd trunk light, and the hood release. This one right here. So yeah, I'll plug everything back up, put this right back, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so I put everything back together. This piece right here, this piece, and this piece. Okay, so just one more thing, just to let you know guys, this piece right here, earlier I said you can take it out with a Phillips. You can do that, but honestly just get the T15. So this requires a T15 screw. These 2 here. But pretty simple. Let's go ahead and close the trunk. Turn on the car and just make sure it's working. Alright guys, I know you can see like lines when I back up, but that's only on the camera. So in real life, those lines, they're not there. But yeah, success. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. Really easy swap, the easiest thing I ever done. And it will take you about 20 minutes if you watch this video. If not, maybe 30 minutes just to figure out some parts here and there. It requires only 3 tools. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a good day.